Okay, so welcome back. This is Scott with OnlineIncomeBlogger.com, and this is the third video of the case study of me creating a blog for this blog that you're looking at this video on right now. Or if you're looking at it on YouTube, well, you can go to OnlineIncomeBlogger.com, and you'll see the entire case study of this and why I wanted to start this blog in the first place. But anyway, this video here, I'm going to actually walk you through how to install the WordPress blog on Bluehost, or actually in any cPanel. It's pretty much universal if you get into a cPanel account, and Bluehost is what I've used, so that's what we're going to use here today. So just basically go here to Bluehost.com, and you can just find the control panel login here, and then from there you're going to use your login details. Go ahead and click enter or log in, and then that should drop you right into the cPanel. That's kind of what it defaults to because we wanted to go into the control panel. If it logs you into another area, just go to hosting and then cPanel, and then that'll bring you to this view right here. And then what we're going to do real quick here is we're going to go to WordPress Site Builder. Then you're going to go to where it says script list, and you're going to go down here where it says blogs, and you're going to see it says popular because it's a very popular script, and just click on WordPress. And then it'll come in, it'll say my installs, which I haven't installed any yet. And when you do install the blog, it'll show you that you've had one install, but you can install multiple blogs on your host. Okay, so then I would go here to install, all right, and basically just says here's a list of your currently installed scripts. We don't have any. And this is just support stuff, but I'm just going to go ahead and click install. And then it's going to give you some options here, and I do want to talk about this real quick. This right here, if I don't put anything here in the directory, okay, it's just going to be onlineblogger.com, and everything is going to be like, that's my home page, that's like my main site. If I wanted to install a blog inside of a folder called blog, I could do that, and it will allow me to do that. But I'm not going to do that in this case, but I just wanted to show you that's what it would be. Okay, like here it's saying the server path is this right here, all right? But you don't really need to know that, don't worry about that. Okay, so then here we have a site name or title, all right? So I'm going to name it online, let's see, income, if I could spell here today, blogger. Okay, and you can change that later. All of these plugins and themes I'm going to deselect. I don't want any of them right now. I'm going to install my own stuff. And then just say I've read the terms and conditions, and then just hit complete. Alright, so it says, oops, directory already exists, and the reason is because I did a test before to make sure that this was going to load okay. So let me just go ahead and do this right here. Directory exists, and I understand that continuing to overwrite the files, I'm going to do that. And again, I'm going to have to deselect these again. Again, I'm just going to show you everything through the steps that I'm taking to make this happen. I've read the terms and conditions, complete. And then it's going to basically say it's in progress. It's going to give you the status. It's installing. It's uploading the script, running the installation on your server. So it's kind of walking you through what it's doing. At this point, just sit back and relax and let it do the work. And that's it. It says status success, installation complete. You can access your new website using the following information. Okay, and again, you might click on that now, and if the GoDaddy thing hasn't worked yet, it might not go there. It might go over to the GoDaddy page, and it might say that it's defaulted there or your domain is parked. That just means it hasn't been synced in yet. In my case, it is. This is really important, though. I would definitely make a either a screenshot of this or go ahead and copy and paste this into a text doc of some sort. I'll just open up a new text window and put that in there. It gives me everything there, and obviously I'm going to change the password because I don't want everybody seeing it and then logging in. But it gives everything there for me to log in. So let me just go now, and I can go directly through here if I want, or I can go to the admin area, and I'll show you that in a quick second, how to get in there from scratch. So if I go here now, it's going to basically show me that there's a blog already made for me. Online, oh, I spelt it wrong. Look at that, on loan. I'll fix that. Income Blogger, just another WordPress site. This is just a default theme that they give you. This is a kind of like a default post, widgets, all that stuff, but I'm going to customize all that stuff. That's as easy as it is. So now if we want to get into the admin panel, we just go ahead and go / and then wp-admin. And then that should give us the login page, which it does. And then I need to use my username that was created, and then also the password, which I don't remember off the top of my head, so I'm going to copy and paste it, and we'll paste it in there, and let's see, I'll put remember, but I'm going to change that password. But let's just hit login, and then we are in the admin panel of our blog. So it was that simple, all right? And I could have did it a lot faster if I wasn't talking through it, but I just wanted to show you that's how it's done. I mean, and I'm going to go through as far as how to post and put your media in there and your pages and, you know, menus and all that stuff. I'm actually going to be customizing this and putting in a theme from, I believe, Woo Themes is the one I've been looking at that I think I'm going to use. So that's it for this lesson. It's kind of a lot here, so just you might want to go back and watch it. But the next lesson is going to show how to install a custom WordPress theme, and then we're going to go ahead and get that kind of customized so it looks the way I want it to look. Actually, before I do go, let me just show you how to change that on loan income blogger, the on loan, and we'll change that to online. Just go into your settings, go to general, and then from there you can change that whatever you want it to say. But I'm going to put a custom logo there, so that's going to override that anyway. And then just go ahead and click Save Changes. And then you'll see if I go back to the main blog, visit site, you'll see now it's Online Income Blogger. All right, so that's it. That's going to wrap up this video lesson and my progress of this case study. The next one, hopefully this thing's going to look a lot better once we get through that. So if you want to follow along, just go to onlineincomeblogger.com. Hopefully by then, if you're watching this, you might be watching this in the very beginning and it might not be ready yet. But for the most part, it's probably going to be ready. And just watch the progress of this blog and then all of the other updates that I'm going to be adding to the blog showing how I'm creating an income online full-time. All right, so that's it. Scott with onlineincomeblogger.com. I'll talk to you soon.